Let me bring my top from the homework, correct? Not this one. This one? Yeah. How about if I wanted a scallop edge on the sleeve? Meaning, you know what's a scallop edge? That little semicircle, like, correct? Guess what? With Illustrator, if I were to use this little circle, correct? And just take out, just erase it, just erase the top with my direct selection tool. And I make it tiny, 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 tiny. And I go and just, because remember, I only need a repeat. I only need one to repeat it. It can be a very simple brush, everybody. It doesn't have to be a very fancy brush because there's also ways to do lace through this too. You not scatter brush is something else. I'm not gonna go over it right now, but I need a pattern brush for the midterm. So okay, if look, it's ready there. If I go here and I just draw my line with my pen tool and just click on this, done. You see that? I can even make sure that it's accommodated. I can move it around with my direct selection tool. Same thing with my neckline. Oh, I don't need that. I can just draw on top of it. Oh, wait, it's not working. Hold on a second. It's not working because I didn't lock it. So there you go. Let me do Command 2 or Control 2, whichever you want. If I just draw on top of the neckline with my pen tool, if I want to be super precise, and I click on it, there you go. Now, there are ways for you to flip it. Sometimes it's the end that you start, so you click on the other end. That's not it. Or this end. And there you go. It just flips itself. Okay? So I didn't have to draw every little scallop edge. It's just a pattern. And that's how we start doing things. You can even add it to the bottom of your hem without thinking so much. Done. So all of that took me not even 5 minutes. It took me like a minute at most just to change it and put trims. It makes it very easy for you to do teeth. And as you develop your brushes, you will use brushes that are more intricate. And I think, do I have the brush right now? Let me see.